Welcome to the Funeral Program site, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized in loving memory keepsake products. In this video, we're featuring our Cadence Funeral Program template design. Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. This enables us to continue making great content to equip you during a time of loss. The front of the program design provides a background with a single black frame border, embellished with 4 ornate corner accents. The main colors presented are a classic black and white. The back of the program continues the coordinating design with a slightly rounded corner frame border, ready to contain your personalized information or photos. The inside of the program background displays a complementary border frame design that surrounds the content area where you can place your order of service, poetry, or obituary information. The word art front cover title included in this template reads "In Loving Memory." You are free to change it by removing our title image and creating your own text box using fonts on your computer. This is a perfect program design for either a special man or woman and promotes a simple elegance. We provide filler text in the entire template to help guide you along, but you are free to edit and change it as desired. There is a photo box on the front cover and text boxes on the back and inside pages. You can insert additional photo boxes anywhere within the template if desired. The program prints on 8.5 by 11 inches or letter size paper. The folded size measures 5.5 inches wide by 8.5 inches in height. The program folds directly down the center to complete the presentation. Our template is expandable to unlimited pages with all fields editable. This purchase is an immediate download which includes template formats for Word, Publisher, Apple Pages, and Google Docs. Order this funeral program template today, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.